If you would like to find your transaction history on Binance, here's how to do it. So first you want to open the Binance app like so. And here is the main dashboard. At the bottom you have about 5 options. You have home, you have markets, you have trades, futures, and wallets. So we're going to go to wallets. And currently we're in wallets, but we're currently looking at the overview. Now the overview just shows you some details about your account, but since we're looking for transaction, we will be going to spot. So currently we're under spot. From overview, if you want to go to spot, you can slide to the left. Sorry, not from there. You could slide to the left like so, from this area here, and it takes you to spot. Or if you're in overview, you could simply tap on spot and it takes you to spot. So say we're looking for transaction history for USDT or XRP for BNB. Now that we're in spot, we could simply select the coin and we're going to have access to the transaction history. So when we click on USDT, say we're selecting USDT, at the top here, you're going to see your balance, your trading information, and then you have history. So this is the history. You have all history. So you could switch to deposit and withdrawal. You could go to buying and selling history. You could go to converting history or your earnings history. Any of these histories, you could select them. And when it's currently on all, it shows you your deposit, your withdrawals, and your conversions, and things you've redeemed. So this is how to find a transaction history on Binance. Simply open your Binance app, go to your spot wallet, select the crypto coin, and come down to history.